Welcome back to my channel, and today I was supposed to do this last night, but I was too tired and too lazy. But today I am doing a house tour, yay! And I'm going swimming, and I just took a shower. So let me just show you the outside of the house so you can have a little sneak peek. So it's way better to see. This is the outside of the house. I am standing on a rock. So let's go inside. I figured I could start outside, so let's walk through this door. Just quotes. Giving you every single detail. Then you come up these stairs and you hoverboard. This is me and my mom has our own food. Okay, so my iPad this is just one of the this is the kitchen, fridge. This is the living room. And this is the family area. The fireplace. I'll go up top. There is you can see up there. I can go up there sometimes, but yeah, it's so beautiful, isn't it? We're going on about today. Like I said, stay tuned for that video. I don't know if I'm going to be filming. I'm still thinking about it. Okay, so this is another little fake fireplace. This is like where they eat and stuff. This is their puzzle table, I guess. This is where we really just look at the ocean. It's so beautiful. Okay, now there's another. This is one of my favorite hangout areas. That's where we go up top. You can really just hang out here. I just love hanging out here. It's going to video, but I accidentally did something else. You can just look up there. It's so pretty. When I need my alone time, I watch YouTube up here. Storage. That's literally just storage, and this is like another little storage area. There's not a lot, like, this is a pretty big home. Like, plus it's like right out on the water. But if you want me to, I can go up top of the deck sometime. Probably in a different video. I'm almost done. Some more coats. This is like an extra bedroom. So, yeah. It's a nice shower. I don't know if you can see the ocean from here. No, this is the outside. Okay. Let's do this. Let's go into my uncle's room. Oh no. Is that my mom? Who's that? This is turning into mystery someone outside of our door. Whoa, that's freaky. That door was open before. There's absolutely nobody out there. Whoa. Yeah, that's my tour.
I agree. Yeah.
Hey, is Catherine going?
So so you're gonna drive up to his place and head out? What time are you going then, Susie? Okay. All right. So you're heading up now. All right. Send me a text when you're potting out. It sounds like we're gonna be behind you. Yeah, that's.
You look first.
Do that.
Okay. Good to me.
Oh, really?
then. Looks like everything's good.
Oh God. I'm just gonna go up and around.
Bunny, bunny,
There's
bunny.
not that much outside anyway. All right, well, let me go. I gotta find out where Kathleen is and blah, 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 blah. And then Luke's on his way. He got going a little late, but he'll probably be here in like 20 minutes or something.
Okay, guys.
All right, so I would count on probably 12:30 or even later for us because we gotta get gas.
Enjoy this video, give this a big thumbs up, and do you want me to film in Maine? I'm still trying to, I mean not in Maine, because I am in Maine. On the boat, comment down below, because I will. I could do a boat tour. Do you want it on this channel or the other channel? Well, I'll decide that and I'll let you know. So anyways, I love you guys so much and peace out. Bye. Okay guys, so I decided that I honestly really want to film, but I also want to have some time with my family. So I'm going to bring my phone on the boat. So if I felt like filming, I'll film on this channel because I don't want to lose my GoPro. And yeah, so that's how it's gonna go. Anyways, I love you guys so much and peace out again. Peace.